In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can delete all reposts on TikTok at once in just few easy steps. So let's dive right. For the first step, you can see here, there are multiple repost videos in my account. Now to delete them all, simply click on these three lines from right top side and open settings and privacy. Scroll it down and click on that report a problem. From here, you need to scroll it down and open this creation tab where you will find these multiple options like posting videos, drafts, video missing, saving video. You need to click on that other option to delete your all reposts at once. Then it will show you to delete posted videos, but you need to click on other option again. Click on need more help from here and then it will show you these sum of options. If you click on that account, it will show you these sum of options more. If it's showing here to delete all reposts, you can simply click on it. If it's not showing, what you can do is you can simply type here I want to delete reposts. Then it will show you this sum of steps to delete your reposts, but it's showing to delete reposts one by one. To delete them all, you need to type here help me to delete all the reposts at once. Then type here no, again no, and then it will show you this option to provide a detail about your request, and it will show you this option here contact an agent. If you click on it, it will show you this option of submit a ticket. Click on it again. You can type here hey TikTok team, help me to get feature of delete all the reposts from my account at once as soon as possible, thank you. And you can simply submit this application from here, and that's it. They will contact you as soon as possible and they will help you to remove your all reposts at once, like mine.